Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Android phone automatically switches to silent mode. So for this you will be just swipe up or just go in the settings. As well as you can see the sounds and vibration option, and right now I will be on the mute, but I will be just switch to sound. And after here you will be just tap on it the volume option. So make sure you will be just maximum media, maximum notifications or system already or ringtone also. So just go back, and if you don't fix it, so just tap on the notifications option, and as you can see the do not disturb option, just tap on it as well. So make sure if you just have turn it on the this schedule, as you can see every day 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. next day. If it turn it on, so make sure it will be just turn it off as well. So in this way you will just fix Android phone automatically switches to silent mode. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.